I'm sharing my screen. Oh, that inner HTML equal to, so who can append this? Finding the square root of, so then we are appending the number here. Then my input val. So then after that plus equal to equal to then again plus square root of my input val. Then now you can see. For suppose here we can enter 10, so then 3.1666. Okay, so then if we can enter 25, so then 5, then 100. So this way you can practice. So I said today, so then math power, so then you can dynamically pass all these values. So here I'm saying all the numbers are the static way. So I'm passing in static way. Then you can pass these numbers in dynamic way. Then create for this math.power, create two input values. So then first value you can pass to, so base value, and second value you can pass this to power value. So then square root of also same thing. So then if you want to find this, if you want to round this one, math dot round, math dot round. So then we are getting the value, big value, right? So whenever we are finding. So then now you can see for 10, see now 3, right? So previously we are getting 3.111 something, right? So then now, so it's a, we are rounding that value. This way we can practice it. Okay. So the next one is after math dot, square root. So we are having the absolute value. Absolute value. Math dot ABS method is used to calculate the, so absolute value means positive value. Positive value of a number. If you can give the negative number, it's automatically converts into a positive number. So if you can give the positive number, it displays the positive number only. Okay, math at absolute, ABS means absolute value always displays the positive value. Okay, now we can see that one. Next one is, yeah, okay. So the next one is math dot, sorry, document dot write, document dot write. Okay, so finding the ABS value of so minus 10 equal to plus math dot abs. Abs means absolute, so then minus 10. Okay, now you can see, so minus 10 is 10. Clear? So the next one is, next method is math dot floor. Math dot floor method of, right? Math dot floor method rounds up the down to the previous lower integer. Here, even if you decimal exceeds the 0.5, it will give the lowest integer only. Previous rounded method, what it gives? So if it is having 0.5 or more than that, it will give the, so nearest integer, which is next number, right? So then, so if it gives the lower number, if it gives the below of 0.5, it gives the lower integer, right? So then floor method always gives the lowest integer. So then we can see that floor value of floor value of 10.9. Okay, math dot floor. So then, so if you can give the 10.9 also, it gives the 10. It gives the 10. See, no? It gives the number. If it is a 10.1 also, it gives the 10. Okay, clear. So the next one is floor method. After floor method, Sealy. Sealy method. Math that Sealy method rounds the number up to the next highest integer. Previous what it gives? It gives the lowest number. Next one, seal method. It gives the upper value. Upper value. Here, even if you are having the decimal value is lower than 0.5, it always gives the highest integer. Okay, it's a vice versa of previous method. See, graph 10.1. So then we will get the math dot. Then now you can see it always gives the highest value. Okay. So the next method is math dot min and math dot max. Math dot min, so we need multiple values. We need multiple values. Then only we will get the then only we will get the maximum values. Okay, more than one value we need. So in that, so we will get the min value and max value. Finding the min value of min value of 10 comma minus 10 comma 20 comma minus 20 comma 50. Okay, so then these are the numbers. So math that min, then here. Okay, so what is the min value here? Minus 20. Okay, minus 20. So the next one is the math dot max value. Finding the max value. Max value, max 50 is the max value, right? 50 is the max value. Okay, so these are the mathematical functions. So we are having so many. So then we can frequently use these methods. We can frequently use these methods. Where is string concepts? Yes. Okay. So these are the mathematical functions. First one is the pi value. So then second one is the round, math dot round. So the next one is the square root, and next one is the power. Next one is the absolute value. So then floor value, then sale value, then minimum and maximum value. So these are the mathematical functions in the JavaScript. Okay. So the next one is the JavaScript string concept. JavaScript string concept. Okay. So then, so how we can define this string? String we can define in the within the course. It's automatically takes it as a it is as a string. All right. So then in this also same way. So how we can define the number, same way we can define. So then so js35.html dot type. So then html. So then head. So then title JavaScript string functions. Okay. So then next body, inside body h2 JavaScript string functions. Okay. So then script, inside script. So then let my str is the variable to define this string. So if we can define either single quote or double quote, if it is a either single quote or double quote, it's not a okay. So then now welcome to JavaScript JavaScript try. Okay. So then now document dot write document dot write. So then we can print my str. Okay. So then 35.html, right? So here it is. Welcome to JavaScript, right? Right. So same way how we can define let mystr1 equal to okay string of we can define this way. This way also we can define it. This one also considered as a string. Okay. So then if you want to define the we want to define in object mode, let my str2 equal to new of string, then welcome to JavaScript string object. Okay, so here we are using new, so that's why we can consider as a object. You can see now, right? So this way we can create a strings. These three ways we can consider. Okay, next method in the string concept we are having as numbers. So in the string also we are having the so default methods. So first one is the to find out the length of that string. To find out the length of the string. So then we have a document dot write, then my str dot length. Okay, so then document dot write. So then here br, yeah. So finding the given string length. Okay, equal to so then less. Now you can okay. So 30 is the above string length. 30 is the above string length, not above. So this one, mystr. We are using mystr. Then if you want to use mystr2, it is having more characters, 35. Okay, so this way we can find out the string length. For suppose in this one, so in this my string, I have a double quotes. Here we are defining, it is fine. But when we get the database, when we get the value from the database, we don't know how it is having. We don't know how it is having. So at that time, so we have to place the escape characters. We have to place the escape characters. So for suppose here, if you can see, so here double quotes, single quotes. For suppose in the single quote, if you are having the single quote, so then you can see the error. Okay, expected, expected comma, expected comma. Okay, so this type of difficulty is called escape character error. Okay, to avoid this escape characters, character, we have to use the backslashes. We have to use the backslashes. The string will be chopped to, so this one only. Okay, now if you can print this one, so then my str1 document dot write. So then if you can print this one, now you can see even it is not unexpected identifier JavaScript. Okay, so it is unable to combine this string. Okay, at that time, so you can give like this. Okay, so this way you have to give it. This way you have to give it. Now it is perfectly working. So these type of difficulties is called the escape character difficulty. Now we are printing, right? So now we are getting the single quotes in this string, right? So this way we can avoid giving the backslash. So we can avoid the string escape characters. Okay, clear? So we have to use this backslash. Either we have to use the backslash or double backslash. Okay, for single quote or double quote. For single quote or double quote. Clear? So when we place the code in the code, if we can place like this, we will get this one. So if we can place this one, then we will get this one. If you place like this double backslashes, we will get only one backslash. Okay, so this way we can avoid that one. So that is called the escape character. So this slash is called the escape character. So we are escaping one character. Okay, so the next one is the JavaScript string object. We are already seen this one, right? Already seen this one. And the next one is the string methods is starting from here. So to find out a string slice, substring, substr. So in the strings we are having the lot of methods. So we can see tomorrow these things. Okay. So numbers concept is completed. So then JavaScript, we are discussing the JavaScript string. Okay. So then we will discuss tomorrow this string concept. Okay. Any doubts? You have any doubts? Ask me.